Hey guys, we're back at SSB today. We got ourselves a 2017 Outback, and we've been putting it back together. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take some of this stuff off. So today we're gonna focus on this belt molding, and then we got more videos on the mirrors and all that stuff. I've taken this molding off, and I'll show you guys. There's this tab right here. There's a tab right here. And there's these little slots right here in the doors. So when this guy goes in, it slides into this in here and it holds it. Now, when this is fully clipped in all the way, if you take a flat head or something, and if you just like slide underneath the molding and push up, it will slide right up. It's very simple. And there comes our and the sex of the day. Oh, he's driving it. So, very simple. Literally just get underneath here and just push on that clip and the thing will slide up. The same thing goes for this back side. That's simple as that. So I'm gonna show you guys the other side here in a little bit. But to remove and install this belt molding, that's how you do it.